Introducing the all-new Flagship Grill Lite. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. It's hard to find food that's both tasty and healthy unless it's grilled. But what if you don't own an outdoor grill, or what if it's raining? We found a solution on Kickstarter. It's an indoor cast iron grill pan. Our team helped the struggling company manufacture and deliver rewards. We loved the results and decided to acquire the brand. Now we are Flagship Grill. After conducting extensive tests and reviewing customer feedback, we realized that the original Flagship models are a bit heavy for everyday use. Well, not anymore. All new Flagship Grill Lite. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. That's right, all Flagship grills are designed to create the full effect of an outdoor grill in your kitchen. They are specifically engineered to remove excess fat and moisture from the cooking surface, and the dry heat helps to lock in flavor with substantially less cholesterol. Specially shaped ridges evenly transfer heat to ensure that your favorite dishes look amazingly good. All your favorite frying pan recipes can be grilled to perfection on the Flagship Grill, as tasty and much healthier. Like any pre-seasoned cast iron, Flagship grills are naturally non-stick. Even if you're not a professional chef, your guests will definitely think that you are. Food always has better flavor when it's grilled on cast iron, and Flagship takes taste to the next level. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean with just hot water and a brush. Dry with a towel and it'll last a lifetime. And follows you everywhere. The Flagship Grill Lite takes up practically no space in your bag when you go camping and gives you the same perfect results, even when used without a skillet. It took about 4 years to go from the original Flagship prototype to the improved lightweight version you see today. Our production equipment is already in place and ready to go, so with your help it'll take us no time at all to have Flagship Grill Lite delivered to your kitchen. Please support our campaign. There's no need to sacrifice flavor for health. After all, you can have your steak and eat it too.